Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So first of all, open your any browser and log in Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. Look at this my Facebook page dashboard. Now I'm showing you very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Look at the left corner, click onto Facebook page name, settings, scroll down, page setup, click on, choose the second option, page access, tap on view, click on add new, next, and search by name or email, select ID, tap on give access, and type here your password, and then finally click on to continue. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily add admin on Facebook page. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.